Hey guys, Boris Vlogs here, and today I'm doing Papio Creek Part 4. I'm exploring the Papio Creek, the West Papio Creek, and I also have some updates about my channel and announcements, which is what I'm going to talk about as I explore this. Okay, so first, the reason why I didn't record me going in the basement was because my mom said no. I was originally gonna go there, had plans with my friends. We had like 11 people wanting to go, planned it up, and then my mom said no, you're not allowed to go to the house because it's trespassing. Of course, I understand that. And so I was gonna have one of my friends record it for me while I stood on the side. But then my mom said I couldn't pass 204th Street. And so I didn't feel like having AJ or Steven have my phone for that long. So I just canceled it. And that's why I didn't go there. And I know I got dislikes on the one skate video because I wasn't talking in that. Well, there's really nothing really to say when I was skateboarding. Like, all you heard other people talking, cursing, and yeah. So that's why I didn't talk. So I added music to it, but no one liked that. I got like 3 dislikes on it. But anyways, so I decided to explore the Papio Creek and check it out, see what it's like. So far it's pretty cool, especially this side. And it's very, very cold out, like windy. But yeah. So any skate video I do, I'm just gonna put music on it without me talking. So I feel bad, but yeah, it's just easier that way. In the house, I won't be going again because I found out that people are actually cleaning it out. Well, yeah, duh, but like cleaning it out for people to live in it. So I'm kind of glad I didn't go there again. Yeah. Right now I'm recording with my phone. Yeah. I don't know what's over here. So I got that, whatever, paracord. No, it's not paracord. I don't know what it's called. I know it's used for mountain climbing. That feels great. What in the world?
We wanted to run, we wanted to fall together. Back then our world seemed so clear and crystal bright, shimmering lights.
Here's strange noises.
We take flight into the sky.
Oh, it's just a farm.
How many worlds would you cross to use the light that's right in front of you?
Oh well. Wow, this place is pretty creepy. I'm not gonna lie. I hope I hear birds, and that's what it is. Not warhogs. Cause I am pretty creeped out. This is a 20-foot drop. Perspective is not great with my phone, but but now I want to check out over there. I should have brought my stick. This is more creepy than the house video. Cause I don't know if it's picking it up, but I hear like noises coming over there. I don't know if it's a farm or birds, but it sounds like screaming, squeaking. It's creepy. It's like it's very hella creepy. I know it's not the trees. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's back up there, and oh my gosh, I don't know how to explain it, but it was creepy. Highly creepy. I wish I got it on camera, but it looked like something walking. It wasn't, it was no deer. And I'm the only one by myself. Like my nerves are just going pretty fast. Like I don't know how to say it. Explain it. Cause that's a bird, but it's something else. And it doesn't sound human. Who's that for hot chocolate? I don't know how to explain it. It's coming from over there. It's creepy. What is that? Okay, let's get it from the creepy side of this area. I'm a geek with like nature. Maybe not like exactly, but yeah, whatever. But just by telling by the erosion, not by the land, how the creek is right there. It looks like, because this was all leveled, it looks like it just gradually eroded the ground. Like probably down there, there are different layers from the water eroding it. I think it looks neat. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, so I came over here. Look how creepy this is. There's a trail. I'll follow it. I'm pretty far away from my bike. This is creepy. Highly, very creepy. Tell you what, guys. If I get, cause I'm far away from my bike, and I have to walk back all the way over there. I will go back over there. I will go check that out. Papio Creek Part 5. No, I'm not ending the video. I'm gonna head back. I'm getting cold, highly cold, freezing. I'll head back. I'll probably do a part 5 of this. If you guys want me to do part 5, I'll do part 5. I mean, if you want to comment it, if I get one comment, I'll do it still. This is probably the creepiest video I will ever do. Because you got like weird sounds, you got a ladder in the water. It's creepy. Especially this. Yeah. If you guys want to see a part 5, I'll do a part 5. I'm down with that. I'll go further. But I'll probably bring my brother.